Hey, this is Canon Vickery, and today I'm going to show you how to make a crossover cable. And so, a crossover cable is a lot similar to a straight through cable, except for the pattern is a little bit different. But same thing as before, we're going to take our little stripping tool here that we have, and we're going to strip off the end of this sheathing a little bit. The difference between a crossover and a straight through is just a little bit in the pattern. Where a straight through, both ends are white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. A crossover, that's both ends of a straight through. As I was cutting this, you can see I got a little bit too close to those wires, so I have to restart on here. Just cut them all off, and we'll redo this. Make sure we don't cut off too much because we don't want to waste too much wire. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to be a little bit more careful. But with the crossover cable, the difference is the just the pattern, the orange and the green switch. So I'll show you that once I get this. Sometimes you can have a little bit of problems like cutting these without, nicking them at all, and you want to make sure that there's no cuts in it. There, I think we got it that time. Alright, so what we're going to do this time, whereas before we started with the orange, this time the green needs to be all the way to the left. So take it, unwind it, put it in the order it's supposed to be in. Then we'll take our orange, do the same thing, take it, unwind it, kind of get it in the order. With the crossover cable, the order goes white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, and white, brown, then brown. Go. Well, let's get that order. White, green, green, white, orange. Now we want to bring our blue cable over, and then white, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. Crossover cable, it's used to connect two like devices to each other, like two computers straight to each other, where a straight through cable is used to connect two unlike devices. So here, we got it in the order we want. We just want to make sure we get it straight. Sometimes you have to do a little bit of messing around down at the bottom, like I said in my last video, because you don't want it to be like super hard for it to stay straight, because you might have problems putting on the module at the end. So there. I think we got it all straight. Do another check real quick. White, green, green. Oh, we need to have our white, blue. No, here. White, green, green. Then white, orange, here, then blue, green, there. Alright. Take these, straighten them back and forth like this. Careful to not damage the wires, but another check. White, green, green, white, orange, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. Take them. Alright, now we'll hold up our module again. check how much we want to cut off. We only want about this much sheathing in, so we want to cut it all the way up to here. Do another check. Alright, looks good. So we're going to go ahead, cut the end of this. You want it straight as you can get it. A little bit more. There we go. That's how we want that. Then let's check our order once more time before putting it in. White, green, green, white, orange, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. Alright, Windows side. Put it all in there. Kind of slide it back and forth a little bit. Alright, white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange. Alright, we got it in the right order. And this is just the end of a crossover cable. So push that in as far as we can. And then, looks like I forgot to put my boot on. Let's see if we can't do this the right way. You don't want to ever have to do this. Always remember to put your boot on before you do that part. But I want this to be done the right way, so I'm going to be showing you that. Let's see, still in the right order, white, green, yep, everything checks out the right way. So let's put this thing back on, with the boot on this time. Back and forth, push it in, get our crimping tool, put it right in there, push it in as far as we can while we crimp it. All the way there. And there, it's crimped in there. And you can see it goes all the way. We can't see too well, but it does. And so we'll put this boot on. For the other end of a crossover cable is the exact same as a straight through. Where this one starts off with green, this side starts off with the orange. And so this here is a crossover cable. And that's the end of my video. Thanks.